Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023. We started in July and we're counting all the way down to October, which is also very close to my podiversary. It's baby no. So I thought that I would celebrate it on Halloween and count it all the way down. Plus I love Halloween. Love it, love it, love it. So, anywho, the movie that we watched last night was Vampire's Kiss, because I said Fright Night, but then I guess it's been so long since I made my list that it wasn't on there. So tonight, before I post the movie, or before I post the vid, well, anyway, hopefully this one is one that's still, it's still on whatever I found it on. But last night was Vampire's Kiss. I ain't never seen this Nicolas Cage movie. It was freaking hilarious. I loved it. Nothing scary about it, just funny and blood. And not a lot of blood, really. So, I loved it. I am not a huge Nicolas Cage fan, okay? I'm not. I like some movies he's been in, but him as an actor, okay, take him or leave him. But this was funny. Very, very funny. His whole persona was hilarious, and I loved it. So 2 thumbs up. I will for sure watch it again. What did you think, babe?
Absolutely loved him. Not Johnny Cage. Nicolas Cage is one of those actors that's like is between Jack Nicholson and Jim Carrey in terms of his craziness. And you could see where all the memes come from. Most of them are from this movie. It was entertaining.
I loved it.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
my make, sorry, y'all know how it is. When it starts cooling off, the flies swarm in. So don't mind a fly if you see one, please. So my makes are, I made my niece a beanie, and I didn't follow a pattern. I just did top down, double crochets, and then I just added a few other stitches like front post, back post, and stuff. So this is her school is orange and black. And I thought that this yarn was just orange and black, but it has some gold and some gray. And so I told her mom, I was like, I don't know if this is going to be what she wants. And she goes, oh no, that's beautiful. It's perfect. So I made this hat because she cheerleads at the games. She's only 7. I think she's 7, 6 or 7. She's just little. I have to tell you, she looked like a princess. She was at the homecoming, the school, where she lives. They had homecoming, and they have the king and queen, and then they have little Mr. and Miss, and she was the little miss, and she had this beautiful purple dress. I think I already said that yesterday, didn't I? Sorry, but that's who I'm talking about, is the one I was talking about, how she looked like a princess. So here's the hat. Then I made her some fingerless gloves. Now these are a tutorial by Alt Knots. It is my go-to pattern. I know it by heart, and I really love how it makes the gloves. There's the thumb hole, but I love this. So I will link this tutorial down below. And then I made a beanie for her doll to match her. And I'm making her mom an ear warmer to match her. So that whole set will get sent to them. But, yeah. I think that's cute. And I can't remember what tutorial I followed for this, guys. I'm sorry. But just put it in the search box, 18-inch doll beanie, crochet beanie, and a few will pop up. So there's that set. That it's not all the way finished, but when it is, I'll send it off to them. Now let's see what movie we watch. Oh, before I forget, there will be a clip of our little lunch date in the car or in the van. And then there are pictures of a bee that I found this morning in the sunflower that was covered in pollen. And there's a picture of me with a poncho I'm wearing, and it's the Lacy Mint poncho by Bag-A-Day, and the yarn that I used is the Caron Cinnamon Swirl in the color Tortoiseshell. So, there will be that picture. That will all be after the video. So keep watching if you want to see that, okay? Now let's find out what movie we're going to watch. I get to watch another movie with LJ tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, it says When a Stranger Calls on Tubi. So before I put this up, I will make sure it's on Tubi. And if not, I will put just know to watch for a revision at the end. Like watch all the way through to the end, not because I'm trying to get you to watch the whole video, but because I'll put the revision at the end instead of the very beginning. I hated the way I did that yesterday, so the revision will be at the end. If there has to be a revision, I will put that in right away and see if it's still on Tubi. But like I said, it's When a Stranger Calls on Tubi. Stay spooky. And tomorrow, oh my gosh, y'all, tomorrow is September. No, it's not. Tomorrow is October. Good God, I'm so excited about it. I forgot what month. It's October tomorrow. The start of October. I'm so excited. I just love October and Halloween. Like, all of October is Halloween. Tonight is officially Halloween Eve. Like, October Eve. Ah, okay. I will put the participants down below. My email is always linked down below. The name of the movie and where it can be found will be there. And the tutorial for the link to the tutorial for the gloves will be down below. But I love that pattern. Like, Altnots really kicked it in the rear when she did that. Like, I love that pattern. I have it by heart. I don't have to look it up. I don't have to even think about it. I can just whip it out. I love it. Anyway, so I will see y'all later. Bye. Car date, y'all. We came to get lunch at this place called Foxy's here where we live.
Foxy Drive-In.
He got the cheeseburger deluxe. It comes with the cheeseburger and fries. And I got the shrimp basket because, you know, I'm pescatarian. Sorry about the noise, but yes. Even my little hush puppies.